Ever been in the middle of a meeting or a match and your Windows 11 has caught you off guard with a sudden update you didn't even need? And that pain is about to end. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Microsoft announced some major changes coming to Windows Update on its blog, including the ability to indefinitely pause Windows updates for 35 days at a time. To give users more control, Windows Update introduced the option to extend update pauses as much as users want. Once you opted to pause updates for Windows 11, you won't be disturbed for 35 days at a time, and you can reset this 35-day limit for as long as you want. You should eventually install these updates, as most of them are usually related to security upgrades and only sometimes require emergency fixes, but Microsoft is letting users decide when to do so. Microsoft's Aria Hansen wrote in the blog that these changes were a result of feedback that consistently mentioned disruption caused by untimely updates and not enough control over when updates happen. Beyond the update pauses, Microsoft is ensuring Windows 11 users will always have the option to shut down or restart their devices without updating. These quality of life upgrades build on another recent change that allowed users to skip updates while setting up their new Windows devices. According to Microsoft, the latest Windows updates features are currently rolling out to those enrolled in the Windows Insider program, specifically users in the dev and experimental channels. It was a much-needed update, and it's good to see that Microsoft is actually listening to its users this time. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.